Okay, guys, you both understand the rules. Listen to me at all times. Protect yourselves at all times. If you want to touch gloves now. Good luck.
Referee Ricky Sewell with the assignment. One Friday Fights is the global platform in search of rising world championship talent. Gorpai immediately going to the body of Sulaiman. Very aggressive sweep. Taking down Gorpai in that one.
Sulaiman demonstrating some beautiful Muay Thai technique by catching the kick, scoring with the sweep.
Aggressive counter punching coming from Sulaiman. Hands up nice and hard. Very accustomed to this global rule set, those small gloves, as the crowd cheers their appreciation for the aggressiveness being shown by Sulaiman.
That's right, he's coming out very aggressive in this match so far. Every time he lands a strike, the audience is gonna go wild. Such crazy energy in here.
Gorpai doing a good job throwing that big right hand. Big long jab. Very tall, rangy fighter at 133 is Gorpai. Strong inside that clinch as he frames off. Referee Ricky Sewell separates.
Nice weapon selection moments ago from Sulaiman. Driving with the 1-2, using the knee along the ropes here. Catching the kick again.
Sulaiman almost taking out referee Ricky Sewell with that high kick. Good evasion from Gorpai as he's pumping out the jab to go to the body. Inside low kick. Takes out the lead leg of Gorpai. Sulaiman trying to get active in that lead leg. Catches the kick again and sits down Gorpai.
Great strategy here from Sulaiman. He knew that Gorpai was a good middle kicker, that he threw them off, and he's catching the kick and counter with the right hand from Gorpai right down the middle. Sets Sulaiman down. He gets right back up though, Mitch.
Wobbled initially.
Look to me. Get back.
Gorpai trying to jump on him. This is his opportunity. Again, looking to time that right hand down the middle. Wisely, Sulaiman ties him up inside that clinch. Sulaiman needs to get moving, regain his wits. Balance is not quite there as Gorpai connects again with the right hand. Tees off with the uppercut. Sulaiman is in danger.
Very dangerous right here. Sulaiman does not need to engage in a battle. Move, stick and move, stick and move. Let your balance come back. Let your wits come back. Gorpai bust him hard with that right hand.
15 seconds to go in the first round. Sulaiman still looks wobbly. Doesn't quite have his wits regained. He looks hurt, Brian. Gorpai looking to end the night of Mr. Rody. Wisely, though. Sulaiman showing that veteran experience, tying up Gorpai. When he was hurt, went to the clinch, was able to regain those senses, Brian. Good first round for Gorpai.
Absolutely perilous moments there in the first round for Sulaiman. Doing a great job of hanging on. Here we see that knee that he used along the ropes. Great weapon selection, but it was this right hand right here. Sent Sulaiman to the mat. He got right back up, but boy, was he in a bad way. Gorpai doing everything he could to get him out there in that first round.
Where'd he go?
Sulaiman, though, hanging on by the skin of his teeth.
They are fighting for a potential $100,000 contract, an invitation to the biggest stage in the world. Very aggressive start for Gorpai. Coming out with that massive right hand, touching the chin. Sulaiman repeatedly, and sits him down again with it. Right down the middle. Beautiful shot for Gorpai as the stadium has erupted.
Oh, you can see the anguish on Sulaiman's face. He knows how many fans from Myanmar are here to support him. He desperately wanted to get back to his feet, but really struggled to pick up that right hand. was this right hand here in the second. The first one landed flush in the first round, and here in the second it landed again. Right down the middle, no motion shot, throwing right from the shoulder in the little gloves, very effective. Knuckles landing clean on the target, which was Suleiman's chin. Sent him back down, wobbling, struggling back to his feet. What a fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 16 seconds in the second round, your referee has called a stop to this contest. Your winner, by way